always have an extra candle to
Extra
grow on.
candle.
I have one more to grow on for the next year.
Oh, I didn't know that. Do you put it on the side, or is it included in the bun?
I don't know.
Alright, this game's over. Let's see what else is on TV.
I was gonna say, how come it's not lighting? Maybe it's upside down.
No, the wax has to go on.
Democratic debates tonight?
So you're gonna blow it, okay?
Well, that's the only one worth watching.
I know.
The Democratic one?
Go.
Yes.
Poo, poo, poo.
It's Bernie Sanders and Hillary Clinton, right?
Yeah, Bernie, I don't know. I thought he was okay. at
Yeah, it's
first,
all
but
lighting.
This guy's a wacko.
Look at that fire.
Oh, yeah.
Inferno!
Does he look like a president? No.
Should take it here like this with him.
Oh, we're gonna take one of those too.
Who's Obama promoting? Hillary?
The candle is
Oh, can you put him over there?